Hello everyone. In my previous lecture, I discussed types of references used as cohesive devices. Today, we will be focusing on ellipses and substitution as cohesive devices. Let's begin and learn what are ellipses and substitutions and how they are used as cohesive devices in discourse analysis. Ellipsis and substitution. Ellipsis definition: omitting words that can be inferred from the discourse. So what is ellipsis? When you omit a word and that word is understood from the inferred discourse, your readers, your audience, they understand that the word you omitted, okay, it means that. So when you omit a word, okay, from discourse, this is called ellipse, and words, that is called ellipsis. Example: did the donkey eat the carrot? Answer: yes. When you say yes, the donkey ate the carrot. So you don't have to say that the donkey ate the carrot. You will just say yes. So you are omitting what? Words here. You are omitting the donkey ate the carrot. So the donkey ate the carrot, that is understood from discourse, and your audience and reader can infer when you say yes, so you mean the donkey ate the carrot. Until and unless you will say the complete answer if you're teaching a language to the students, and that is a drill. You want to provide them a drill for learning a language, then you will say yes, the donkey ate the carrot. But in discourse we omit such thing. This is called ellipsis. So the omitted part is understood from the context. So no need to say the donkey ate the carrot, right? Substitution. Substitution is different from ellipsis. In ellipsis you omit a word or group of words, while in substitution you substitute a word with another one, but you are not omitting anything. You are using alternative for that. So definition: replacing words or phrases with substitute words like so, do, one, or same. For example, did the donkey eat the carrot? Right? You will say I think so. So replaces the donkey ate the carrot. So you are using so, right? For the place of word, the donkey ate the carrot. It's economical, right? It's economical sentence. So for the whole sentence, yes, the donkey ate the carrot, you just say I think so. So is called substitution. You substitute a word for a group of words or another word that is previously mentioned in discourse. So summary of cohesive references. Personal references uses pronouns and possessive determiners for cohesion. We are talking about cohesive devices. So in cohesive devices we use personal references, and these references include like pronouns, right? Demonstrative pronouns, or we can say personal pronoun, possessive pronouns, determiner. They are used for cohesion, to create connectivity in discourse. We have demonstrative references uses demonstrative and adverbs to point out entities. And we use comparative references like uses adjectives and adverbs for comparison. We use ellipses, omitting words that are recoverable from the context, and substitution, replacing elements with substitute words. And importance, what is the importance of these references or these cohesive devices? So these references strengthen discourse cohesion, ensuring clarity and continuity in your discourse. So if you are using these references and these cohesive devices in your discourse, in your speech, in a conversation, so your discourse, speech, conversation will be understandable. Your readers, your audience will get you. And if you don't, sometimes we don't understand people when they interact, when they talk, when sometimes you don't understand a written text. Why? Because there is no connectivity, right? They did not use cohesive devices. So there is no cohesion in that discourse. That's why you don't understand. Now, we will also talk about conjunctions in cohesion. I guess, okay, we should leave this for the next lecture. In the next lecture, we will be talking about conjunctions as cohesive devices. So keep watching and enjoy learning what discuss and discover with Dr. Imran. Thank you so much.